What's happening in your pregnancy journey today?
We're having a nesting party to prepare for Antonio's arrival. My one friend, Valerie, who's coming, she would just hear me rant about how overwhelmed I was with everything. She was like, hey, if you need help, we'll have a girls' night. We'll sweep your house, we'll clean, we'll hang up paintings, we'll do whatever you want. It's fine. Like, we totally don't mind helping. And in a way, I get to treat them and make it pleasant for everybody, so it's not just them doing my chores, so.
Mr. Postman is here.
Ray!
Tell us about who's helping you today.
It's some of my closest friends that I've made here in LA. We genuinely just clicked right away and started hanging out heavy after that.
Yeah.
You guys didn't bring brooms?
Brooms?
We're cleaning today. Where's the mop? Where's the cleaning supplies? Just kidding, I have some brunch for us though.
This is beautiful.
This is my appreciation for you guys being here and helping me.
Yes.
Oh, look at that, professional.
Keep popping them out. We'll come again and again.
Give us an overview of what today is going to look like.
Well, I have a to-do list for us, and the goal for today is to get through every single item on there, or get as far as we can, just to give me a peace of mind with everything.
What's the plan?
So I was thinking we split up into two groups. The first thing we're gonna do is just take all the stuff that's in the nursery and take it out.
Happy nesting.
Okay, I'm gonna make a diaper pile.
Those are all diapers. Great.
Make sure that we are only opening the newborn diapers.
Are there any challenges you foresee?
Maybe us getting distracted.
Yeah.
Babe, are you helping?
I'm helping.
Pregnancy brain almost feels like I'm euphoric. I'm just like, ah.
Why did you want to be a part of today's nesting party?
It's a good way to support and be part of friends' life and their new journey.
And it's used to get together. Just hang out.
Yeah. They say it takes a village to raise a kid, so.
We are the village. The dresser caddy is ready for the dresser. Is there anything else you're gonna put on there?
Should I put it on this side?
You're a righty?
Yeah, I guess it makes sense for my stuff to be there, my supplies.
What is it like asking for help?
They were suggesting it and they wanted to help, but I never really took them up on it. I was just thinking that's crazy. I'm like, I've helped somebody move once and I was like, I'm never doing this again. We'll get some of you guys to set up this bottle washer station here.
And you haven't done this before, right?
No, I didn't even know this thing existed. It looks pretty nice though. I wish there was a portable one I could take home, use it for dishes.
Bath time supplies. We need to basically designate an area for all the bath stuff. Okay. So how about tall things we'll put in that little basket?
Well, we're gonna start over. After we're done crying, it's fine.
I trust you. You'll figure it out. Oh, look at the little whale. Mr. Daddy-O, you remember your task?
Yes, keep you guys on track, not distract you.
No! This is what you need to do.
Hang up a shelf.
How are you feeling about the progress?
It may not seem like it out there, but in here, it looks great. I think a lot of what's out there is just trash that's accumulated from us opening things that we need to declutter. And once we do that, it'll look more put together.
Well, Seth, how long have you been wanting to get all this set up?
Maybe after I found out I was pregnant, I was buying, collecting things. And after the baby shower, I was like, oh my God. I've already wanted to stop working so many times. And I'm like, oh, I'm so glad I have extra hands.
Yeah.
For real.
How happy are y'all for Lissette to become a mom?
So happy.
Oh my God.
She had baby fever. And I was like, oh, yeah, she's next.
Had to wait for a dada to get on board. Baby clothes time.
The putting clothes on the hangers, why is this the most challenging task on your list?
I can't really think of a good systematic way to putting things away. I feel like until I have the baby and I experience what I'm using the most, I won't really know. So we just kind of have to figure out how to put him in the dresser in the best way, the most commonly used. And then the nice little outfits we can hang up. I think we're tackling the last of what we needed to do. This room looks perfect. I'm so happy, honestly. This was on my to-do list for a million years and it was a headache. And now it's done and we don't have to worry about it. I can enjoy my maternity leave. Yay! Now we just party.
Hey.
How did everything go today?
It went great. Kyle kept us on track the whole time.
Okay.
No, seriously. seriously, we're very grateful. This was a lot. It doesn't seem like a lot because there's a lot of us. And you know, like I said, you never know when he's coming. He could come like literally tomorrow and then all that would have not been done. So yeah, it was very stressful. And now it's not. I'll just be happy enjoying my days off work.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you're happy, we're happy.
Yeah.
It does make it far more real. It's like, I know you're pregnant. Like, I've known it.
A while.
But this is like, oh, a person is coming. It's like crazy that he could be here any day.
Oh, he's moving right now. He can hear you. He's like, oh, me?
It's like, don't tempt me.
I'll come right now.
Yeah, exactly.
And would you do something like this again?
Yes.
Yeah.
In a
I
heartbeat.
want to do this for myself.
I think we live in such a task-oriented sort of society where it's like, get it done, get it done, get it done. And like to be able to like share this with your friends, like make it a memory and a moment is really fun.
I love you guys.
And the food was great.
Thank you for being. Yeah, thank you.